I want to know how you started your English learning journey and why do you want to learn this language?
Okay. So reason has been very specific.
My name is Prathna Sharma. I am from Madhya Pradesh.
Mhm.
I had did my graduation. I am married. I have two kids. I am housemaker. Nowadays, I am learning this language. Yeah, that's all about me.
All right, that's very nice. Shall I introduce myself?
Yeah, of course, of course. I want to know about you.
All right. My name is Sunil. I'm from Delhi. Talking
Mhm.
about my education, I'm a graduate. When it
Mhm.
comes to my hobby, I like to listen to me. I like to listen to music. That's it.
Okay, wow, that's good.
Like,
Uh,
except YouTubing, do you have anything? Like, what do you do? Are you preparing for any government exams or are you going for further education? Anything like that?
no, I'm not preparing any exam and I'm not doing anything. I just learn English like for my kids.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, I am housemaker. Nowadays, my kids are little younger. That's
Uh-huh.
why I not, not I'm not doing anything. But yeah, when they grown up, that then I will do something, not a job, but I want to do my own business.
Yes, that's nice. That's very nice to know. And what brought you to YouTube? How come you became a YouTuber?
YouTuber. 1 minute. Okay, YouTuber. Actually, I not when I started my English learning journey. That
Mm-hmm.
time I started like 2 months ago. But yeah, I overcome my fear. That's
Uh-huh.
why I started my YouTube channel. After 3 year, 2 year, I don't know I be success there or not.
Uh-huh. All right, yes. And I would also like to know your English journey. How has your journey been so far for English?
My English journey is very simple, not a very good, but yeah, when I started if I talk about my English learning, not a
Mm-hmm.
speaking part. So, when my elder son started going to school before five year, that
Mm-hmm.
time I started learning English, like
Mm-hmm.
basic things, like kids start learning consonant, vowel,
Mm-hmm.
all things, how to read, how to write, all things.
Mm-hmm.
And if I talk about my speaking part, so
Mm-hmm.
before three, 3 4 month, I can say before 3 4 month, yeah.
All right. And do you get support from your family? And how difficult it is, or how easy is it to be a YouTuber or to improve English when you are already married?
Yeah, it's very easy. My family, yeah, support. They are all support me, and I not feel very uncomfortable because, like, I am now speaking with you. So every member in my family, they all stay home. So they another room. Yeah, my
All
husband
right.
also say, "Ki mama talking anyone, so don't go there." Means
Shabash.
everyone me. Yeah.
Yes, right. So, is your husband proud of
And
you that
but one,
I have a better half who can speak English?
yes, he's every time proud of me. Not only English, everything.
Okay, that's so sweet. Okay, that's very nice.
Yeah,
Okay, tell me a
and
little about your area, that how that locality is and how that area is. Any
it's
good things about that area?
a very good area. There people live very they means they close everyone, like if I have any problem, so they help each other. So very good area here, and are surrounding like a nearby hospital, near school, so all things is very good because nowadays I live in city, so yeah, in city
Mhm.
every very good. Yeah.
All right, that's wonderful.
And
Mhm.
I want to know how you started your English learning journey and why do you want learn this language?
Okay. So reason has been very specific. After
Mhm.
BTech, I did not have any other options. And it is considered that when you do BTech or when you go for higher education, people consider that you would speak English fluently and you would have a good command of this language. But people were incorrect about this misconception. After BTech, I had to face a lot of problems, especially when it came to English. And from there, I thought, okay, I better work on my communication skills. Without English, I was not able to get jobs. Wherever I went, every interview was conducted in English. I had to answer there in
Mhm.
English. But that point of time, I had poor communication skills. I was rejected
Mhm.
many a time. And from there, I became so motivated. I took it so positively. I thought
Mhm.
next time I'll come, I would face the same interview, but with a lot of confidence. I would come when I improve my English. And this is what I did. I worked on my communication skills. Initially, I had a lot of problems. I
Mhm.
started learning English from basic,
Mhm.
where I started working on grammar, where I started working on vocabulary, I worked on pronunciation, and still I'm working on that. Every day I practice a lot. This has been my journey.
So how do you practice? Because your grammar and English is good. You use
Mhm.
very nice grammatical structure. Sometimes I
Mhm.
do mistake, but your grammar is. So how do you practice? How do you do practice?
Okay. One day you are going to speak better than me, or you are going to leave everyone behind in terms of speaking. All
Mhm.
you need to do is you need to make strenuous efforts. You need to have faith in yourself. If I talk about myself, that how I practice, I
Mhm.
guess one thing that I always stick to is I have to practice it. If I don't find people to practice, I practice it with myself. I
Okay.
usually give one or two topics to myself and then I try to describe those topics. Else, I keep myself in a place where no one is around, or I always look for a quiet place where I can practice. That's how I practice. Second thing is that I'm very much into reading. I need to read
Okay.
at least one page. Either it is from a book or from a newspaper. These are the two things. Second,
Mhm.
the third thing is that I always work on my vocabulary. I always want to expand my vocabulary. That's how I practice. And there are other ways too.
Okay. So I don't like reading. So how I start reading? Whenever I go for reading, that time I feel bored.
Yes. So the reason is that the first step is the hardest. Whenever you try anything, at first you would not like it. You
Mhm.
are going to hate that particular thing and you will become uncomfortable with that. If you do things which you
Yes,
are
yes.
okay with, you will not see any improvement. You will not see any change in your communication skills. If you really want to have a big change in your communication skills, you have to do things which you really don't like. Like you have to go for reading. Reading is all about an investment. Honestly speaking, reading is an investment. The more you read, the better speaker you become. And there are so many benefits of it. First benefit is that you will read any passage or any page a bit louder. There your pronunciation will be better, and you can pronounce word with a lot of confidence. This is the thing. You will also improve your vocabulary part, and you will learn some sentence structure. Now you are asking me that I'm using new sentence structure. They all come from reading. So that's how you have to do, and always go for
Mhm.
your own interest. If you feel you are interested in animated books where some cartoons characters are there, go for that. If you are interested in romantic novels, go for that. Thrilled novels or suspensive novels or whatever novel you want to read, or if you are interested in NCRT books, go for that. It's all about your interest.
Okay. So thank you so much for guiding. Yeah, I do. I read. I will read book.
Yes, let me tell you one more thing. Just go for small things. Many a little makes a mickle.
Mm-hmm.
Means when you go for small things, time will come, you will see, okay, you have covered a lot of things. But you target target 5 pages a day. That will never ever happen. So always target small things. Yes, honestly speaking, either you target one page throughout the day or half page throughout the day, and little by little you will find reading books very interesting, and then you will become a good reader. Everyone starts like this. There will not be a person who is going to complete one novel in one day. It will never ever happen. They can do it when they have been doing it for a very long time.
Yeah.
Is there anything you are really afraid of?
About English,
Yes, anything, English or anything, any fear you have in life.
in my life, yeah, I no, I haven't fear, but yeah, sometimes I worry about my kids' future,
All right.
and I haven't fear. No, no, I haven't fear. Yeah, I one thing I whenever I go high like any swing and anything means I afraid to high if I top floor and then I see uh mm,
Agoraphobia, that is called agoraphobia. I guess you are afraid of height when you
yes,
go at the top or when you go
yes,
very high. That part of time you feel
yeah.
vertigo.
That time I feel afraid. Oh my god, I feel dizzy types. So yeah, and I haven't any afraid thing. Yeah.
Okay, so is there anyone who tells you, okay, this part is correct, this part is incorrect? That who is there to correct you if you make any mistakes in English or in YouTube videos?
So in a YouTube video, no one is correct me. Actually, I seen lot of video. Then I took suggestion there, and
Mm-hmm,
I only watch YouTube video. I learn English. No one suggests me. Sometime whenever I talk with my sisters, so
mm-hmm,
they correct me. Yeah, you should speak there. So
mm-hmm,
and no one correct me. Yeah, and sometime when I talk like you, I'm talking with you,
mm-hmm.
taking session. So they correct me. Yeah.
All right, that's nice. Or for learning English, did you take any classes?
No, no, I haven't taken any classes. I have means I not spend 1 rupee on my English.
All right, that's very nice. Like you are
Yeah,
doing everything for free. You learn how to edit videos from YouTube, and when it
yeah.
comes to improving
I
your
learn everything from YouTube.
Mhm.
Yeah.
or when it comes to improving your English, you have sessions like us, or you have sessions like this, and there you get to know, okay, what you are good at and where you need to work on. All right,
Yes.
that's very nice.
You in YouTube everything available. Means
Mm-hmm,
if you want anything, so you can learn very easily. So
mm-hmm,
yeah, whenever I confuse anything, not only English, any
mm-hmm,
like I am making food and I don't know how
mm-hmm,
to make this food. So I
mm-hmm.
search YouTube and yeah, I make everything. So yeah, I learn from YouTube. YouTube is my teacher, a best friend.
All right, that's so nice to know that. Yes, same goes with me. I also consider YouTube my teacher. Whenever I had any problems, I go to YouTube and I try to take solution from YouTube. All right.
Yes.
Do you have any favorite YouTuber? Is there any YouTube channel that you like to learn a lot from?
English.
Yes,
Yeah,
English.
I have Deepak sir, Fluenta Institute.
Mm-hmm.
I learn English whenever I free. That time I watch that his video because he is teaching very good. You know, he teach like without grammar means we are confused about grammar. Sometimes I very confused about grammar. So I watch most their video and lot of they are like Persona Institute and
All right.
they Ajay sir they well and sometime I watch Kanchan Mama and his kids videos. So yeah, there are lots of YouTube channel and nowadays conversation videos. So there are lots of conversational channels. So yeah, I watch not only one. I watch lot of every YouTuber who when I see and I see any first. So yeah, I watch that video.
All right. That's very nice. Or once your channel is monetized, once you get some money from YouTube, what are you going to do with that amount?
I actually I never think I buy something. Okay, if I get it, so I buy something first my mom.
All right.
Anything I buy for my mother. If I not only YouTube, if I get anything I do, so I get some money. So I have two mom, my husband mom and my mom. So
Hmm.
I buy something for my moms.
All right. That's very
I
nice.
buy, yeah,
That's outstanding. That if you think like this, once you have money, you would like to give something to your mother-in-law or your like real mother. Both.
both.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes. Now you
yeah,
have two
this one is
mothers. Hmm.
my favorite. Both are my favorite.
All right. That's good. That's good. I think, or is there any question before we say goodbye because we have taken that session, or would you like to continue it? It's up to you.
Actually, I know what you do apart from like if your YouTube channel and you upload their video, and what you do apart from
Okay.
any job.
Hmm. Apart from this,
Mhm.
I run an institute where I give English
Okay.
spoken classes.
Wow, that's very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. This is what I do, and if I have time in my leisure time, I
Mhm.
like to sleep a lot.
Wow. Okay, so in my English, what I do, you talk with me, I think 21 minutes. So how my English, like what need to my English to improve, like what I do, what should I do?
Okay. Whatever you are doing, go on
Mhm.
doing this. You just need to practice, and when you feel okay or whenever you get feedback from anyone, first you should appreciate it. Second, you should work on your feedback and read more, practice more. Whatever you do, just make it double. If you practice English for half an hour, make it for 1 hour. You need to practice English for an hour. If you read anything for 5 minutes or for 10 minutes, make it for 15 minutes. Not at the same
Mhm.
time. Do it after a week.
Mhm.
First, make a target. Okay, for 1 week, I'm going to read 1 page. Next week, I'm
Mhm.
going to make 2 pages. So that's how you will
Mhm.
improve. Second thing is that work on a little bit on vocabulary. Because these days, whosoever I talk to, I have found that everyone uses new vocabulary. Same goes with us.
Yes, yes.
If we want to leave a good impression on our listeners or on our audience, we have to
Mhm.
work on our pronunciation, we have to work on our vocabulary. That's how we will be different from others. Because if you
Okay.
do something differently, people will come to you, people would love to watch your videos. That's what you need to do.
Yes, yes.
Reading, vocabulary, work on sentence structure, whatever sentence structure you find interesting, try to bring
Mhm.
that in your speaking or bring or use that in your day-to-day conversation. That's how you will improve, and keep practicing. This is the only method.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I will do.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so it was such a nice talking to you. I hope to meet you in the future.